guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Coreldraw Julius, CEO of Vogue Design. Yeah, welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of my latest video. I release my video every Friday. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you like you saw in the description down below. I'll be teaching you how to design a poster in Corel 7. Okay, how to design a simple poster, a poster that will that is attractive. Okay, a corporate poster, a business poster, whatever poster you want to design. I'm going to show you the easy steps and ways to design them that will best fit the kind of work you want to do. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's dive in, guys. All right, I'm going to use A4 size. I'll be using A4 size for this design, for this poster. Basically, poster is normally you can use different size. Major size of poster is A3. Okay, but I'll be using A4 for this design. So here we have. Let's put in our shape there. Just follow me step by step as I go through everything. Okay. So I normally use a background color that can make my job visible. Okay, and then put the background. I'll be working in this white space, but this one is just the background that will bring out, or make me see the contrast of my job. Okay, so let's continue. Now, if you see this logo here, this is my logo. This is my logo. Okay, so I'm going to design a flyer for this company. Okay, this is my logo, using the color of the company. Okay, if you don't know how to choose color, I released a video recently on color combination. Okay, color combination, complementary color explained. So I'll drop the link down below so that you can go through and know how to choose color for your design. So I'll be using this cherry color, this color for this logo, for this design. So what to do, I've already picked the red color which is in this place. So what to do, I want to pick this blue color or pick it. So these are the basic color, the color palette I'll be using for today's tutorial. This blue, red, and the white here. So this is the color palette I'll be using. So now I'm going to import an image. I'm going to import an image that I want to use. Okay, so I will go to my file and just import image I want to use. Sorry, not that file. Okay. Okay, here we are. I'll pick this image here. Just drag. It's my job. Okay, here we are. Go resize it. We'll resize it. Okay, so what to do now, I'm going to power clip it inside this image, inside this box. So click here to edit, go to resize it. So let's now, okay, so I will pick my shape tool, draw a box, then resize it. So I'm going to resize it. First of all, I'm going to draw direction. Okay, using the polygon tool, polygon shape for direction. Okay, so use the polygon shape for direction. So using the polygon shape for direction. So the next thing to do is I'm going to rearrange this Okay, rearrange it. Right. Duplicate. Take the other side. Duplicate. Bring. Then you transform the size. Take it to the other side. Duplicate. Take the other side. Okay. Just follow me step by step. Then you fill in with your colors. Fill in your color. Fill in your color. The colors you want to use. Okay. Then remove your outline from your colors. Okay. Then remove this polygon shape there. Now the next thing to do is to apply shadow. Okay. So basically you have to use this. You're supposed to use this shadow here to apply your shadow. But I'll use another method to add shadow to it. Sorry for the. I'm going to use another method to add shadow to it. Okay. Sorry for the change the position. I just have to move to another place to finish the tutorial due to some technical reasons. So we add shadow to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use another method to add shadow to it. So into black color. Make sure it's RGB. Okay. So remove the outline. Then you come to a bitmap. You convert it to bitmaps RGB. Okay. Bitmaps RGB. Then the next thing to do is blur. You apply your blur, Gaussian blur 2. Gaussian blur. Okay. To blur the edge, the two edge. Okay. To blur the edges to make it smooth. There's a shadow, so you have to make it smooth and blur. Okay. Then you click your OK. After you apply the blur, you click your OK to continue. Okay. All right. Okay, it has not applied. Okay, it's loading. Okay. Here we are. All right. So let me take this again, duplicate this. Okay. Then we pick it up, you drop your blood, the blood to there. So you reduce the opacity. Take using your transparent tool. Reduce the opacity to 50. Let's take 50. Okay. So take 50. Closer to this place. Okay, I think I'm okay there. So what you need to do is just to, so I'm going to rearrange everything. Just watch myself doing it. Okay. So I'm going to pick this upward, take this upward, take this upward. Okay. So I'll duplicate the shadow, bring it here, then change the position. Bring it here, take it downward, take it upward. Okay, I'm going to take this one upward. So take the shadow upward. No, not this one. So you have to be very careful while selecting your shadow to know the one to take upward. Okay, so position it. So take it downward a little. Okay. So the next one is to duplicate the shadow again. Then change the position. Okay. Then take it to this other side. Take it to the other side. Then take it downward a little. So take it back. Okay. I think I need it there. Alright. So then alright, after you've done that, okay, we will option that. Okay, now you can see the beauty of it. So what I want to do now is I want to add shape to this place. Draw your line. Okay, draw a box. Then I want to fill this box with the color. Okay, with the color of that logo, of this logo here. Okay, the color of this logo, so this blue color here. Okay, so now I'm going to fill it, click it, then fill the color, don't be outline. Then I'm going to JPEG or click this image that is inside this place, inside here too. So all your alternates, then select, you're clicking on it, left click to select the image, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Then you power clip inside. Okay, I want to reduce the opacity of this image. Come to your transparent tool, pick your transparent tool. Okay, I want to reduce it with 80% by 80%. So I'll power clip it inside again, inside this box. Okay, so let's adjust it. Now the next thing I want to do here is I want to bring in my text. I already placed them here, so I want to place them, place my text, place my text. So I'll group it. I want to group this text, and once I group it, you see this place will turn to this sign. Ctrl G to group. So group them. Then you hold your shift, click on this to align to the left. Then you click left. Sorry, click L to align to the left. So everything is well aligned. Okay, then I want to change the color of this background to 10% black, so you can see everything very well. Now you can see everything very well. Like this. So you can see everything clearly, and you can see everything clearly. Now, one thing you must know when you are designing a poster is you must take note of negative space. Negative space is the white space, which is this space. There must be a negative space to make everything clear, to make it more clear. Okay, to make it more visible and to make everything look professional. Okay, you can see it's only, if you look at this red color here, it is only this logo that you can see here. Once you look apart from this image, it is only this logo you can see here. Okay, apart from this image, it is only this logo you can see. Only this logo you can see. Now, be very clear that the logo is standing on its own and it's visible, and the focal point is once you go, your eye goes straight to the red color, you see the logo, then you see the image. Okay, now if you look on right at the bottom here, you see that it's only this information that you are seeing here. Nothing is crowding it, only the information is visible, and the image is not consuming the information. So you must reduce the opacity to the extent that it will not consume the information, and the information must be visible. Okay, another thing you must look to is alignment. Your design element must be well aligned. To align to the left, to be the left. They are going to relate to the align to the left. So it will be well aligned to look more professional. Okay, so basically, guys, this is how you design your poster for publication. Design a poster for commercial work, for anything. Okay, just use these rules and use this method. You'll be able to design something beautiful and use the tools. If you are not familiar with the tools, I released a video previously on application of tools on Coreldraw. I will drop the link down below so that you can go and check on it and grab something. See you next Friday. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I release my video every Friday, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify my latest video. And don't forget to thumbs up for me. Hit the thumbs up button if you find this video helpful. Thank you guys. See you next Friday.